How to fix Instagram new stylish fonts feature not showing in your Instagram. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix Insta's new stylish font not showing in your Instagram. So let's get started. So the first thing you will need to do is make sure that your Instagram is up to date. So you can search for Instagram in your web store or your Google Play Store or your App Store. So simply search for Insta, and after you find Instagram, open it up and check if there is an update available. If there is an update available, do not forget to update, as new versions come with different bug fixes and different features. So the fonts is one of them. So you can simply update and you should be getting the font, and it's that simple. Now, sometimes even after the update, you might not get the font because it might not be available in your region. So after you just wait for some time, it should be available in your region and you should be good to go. If you're already up to date in your Instagram and you're still not getting the font, you'll need to head over to your iPhone storage and then offload the app. For that, you will first need to open up your settings, head over to General, head over to iPhone storage, and then find your Instagram. After you find it, offload the app and then reinstall it, and then you should be good to go. And that is how you fix the issue, guys, and that is all for the video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.